I'll tell you guys the story about bannock. So traditional style bannock was made from plant flour. So before flour was readily available, the First Nations, they made bannock, and they make it through cattails and plant flour, and then that's how they'd make their bannock biscuits. And then when flour became readily available, we just naturally switched over to flour. And the term bannock is a Scottish term, but we adopted the term when the fur traders came over to North America. Yeah, so bannock's just, it's made, there's no yeast in the bannock. It's just flour, baking powder, oil, and water, and a little bit of love. And I better watch that. That doesn't burn.
Yeah. Whatever we end up making will not go to waste. So
yeah. Perfect.
Yeah.
I gotta be over the top. I gotta be a little bit extra with the bannock, so I'm like, why not make mini bannock burgers? No one else is doing them. And they're really cute, and every time I make them, all I say is, these are so cute the whole time. I don't flatten it too much because it'll make it hard. So you just want to keep its natural shape.
You really didn't work it much at all. You just
let it do its thing. Yeah. And the more you work it, the tougher it'll get.
Yeah.
It'll get gummy, and so the less you work it, the better. And that's the opposite of what people tell.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of people are like, work your bannock or beat your dough.
He's getting in there too.
Yay.
Okay, you guys. Mine's vegan. More of the bannock dinner today.
We're gonna have a showdown.
Taco showdown.
Yeah. Yeah, so in a bannock taco, you want your bannock, your fried bannock on the bottom. Then you can do a taco beef or else a chili beef. And then you put lettuce, tomato, cheese, and sour cream and salsa. So it just makes sense, bannock taco.
Yeah, of course.
And it just, everyone's picked up on it, so that was perfect.
I love that. I mean, it's really cool that people are starting to learn more about bannock, learn more about, more of kind of the food that I would, that is from here. Italian and French food is great.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with it, but it's really cool to eat food that comes from the country that you live in, right? So,
yeah, for sure,
that's what's
definitely.
awesome.
Yeah. Yeah, bannock, and my food is, I like to say, is traditional meets contemporary style cooking.
Sure.
Yeah, because I like to make, the mini bannock burgers and the mini pigs in the blanket, and no one else is really doing those. So, yeah, it kind of puts an edge on us. So.
For sure.
it's also like sort of like a familiar way.
Yeah.
Like people know pigs in a blanket.
Yeah.
So it's just a nice way to sort of like transition
Incorporate.
it.
Yeah.